Mayambu Kurumjeri. Mami Mapao Bumiyang Tabiriba Kwai Pumnamakpu, Sigi Humpugama Turak Shuba Pishoda Sida, Danupna Taram Okcheri. Amadi, Mamanga episode Kidamakta Tambira Kiba, feedback Amadi suggestions Singi the Maktasu, Hininga Latana Takapafung Okcheri. Nasigi episode Sigi Oina, Tamjeri Mapao Singadu Kanhanjeki. Ahan Bada Tamjeri, Nongin Music Video Award Lantoki Bagi Mapao. Tantana Sinduna, Avengers Endgame Gi Infal Premiere, MSFDS the Utkibagi Mapauna, Anishubada Tamjeri. Tapashegin Dong Putopa dance drama, a chariot drawn by 7 horses, Utkibagi Mapauna, Ahum Subada Tamjeri. Marie Shubama di Aroy Boy na Tamjeri Bamapao Asina, Manfit 2019, Mapungfana Pang Tokibagi Mapao. So, folks, Ahan boy na Tamjeri ba Nongin Music Video Award ki award ceremony pang Toki bagi Mapao asi kamdaw bagi haibadu mit ingkaminas.
Tarelak suba Nongin Manipuri Music Video Award lanthok bagi thoram haukiba April thagi tang kunma thoida Imphal gi Palace Compound lebe MSFDS ki Changkholab Auditorium da mapungphana pangthokre. Art and Culture Department ki Director A. Sivdas Sharma, Film Forum Manipur ki Chairman S. Mangol Jau, Cultural Activist Dr. S. Manaukdon, Arun Enterprises ki Proprietor Arun Kumar Thangjamamadi, Eastern Motors Chingmairong ki Proprietor, Sinam Pritam na Chingma kaya yauna Saruk Yaduna, Ceremony edu Mai Pakna madi mapungfana pangtoki. Thoramadu the Nongin Best Music Video Award, Best Director, Best Music Director, Best Actor, Best Actress, Best Male Singer, Best Female Singer Jingba Kaya Yauna Puna Award Tarataret Lantoki.
Music video album Putok Liba Singda Ahen Batona ama soidana pigidaba Taurang ni Haina Lojay. Makatarak pada Hena Mai Pak na Sinbangambo Oibiu. Avengers Endgame gi Infal Premiere Tantana Mapung Oiba Taudang Lawiduna MSFDS Utkibagi Mapao asi amo min ingtaminas.
Film pamjab naha ahal kya na khorang nangai narakpa Marvel Studios ki Avengers Endgame thas gi hoki batang marida tanthan sinduna MSFDS ta mai pang utkre. Marvel Comics ki superhero team Avengers ta yumpham oi film asi 2012 ta gi hoduna puthora kiba The Avengers Age of Ultron Infinity War na chingba singi makha chathrakpa sequel oina puthokpani.
Appreciate mayamna opportunity se koya khana pikna like jaram to chawon se kochena idea se leranga koi sinjera tam top se kochena kuda Avengers la ko la da cd mayamna pamna bonni mangda bol se tam pangal se kochena ko da chen da wa na koi Facebook da koi Instagram da YouTube da koi na ma response la mai to ko pa ka sometimes ko je kitang guilty for that nung tam di show to se da mi kra yeng da jaw ko mo na jo hai kitang shan da ya But we security we think cafe to the more extra extended long caps in the future you we to push my garage gari khai ge sin ma je launch to ga adum corona bi to sari to ban buji ko kitan bi kan ko ga but abai de ga da onari ya na ba
Anthony Madizo Russo Anina Direction to the film Sigi Infal gi premiere so no meda duda so anirak utki madi animak houseful oi haibada haiman mitokloi film si makata na su metarani toy numai numita utnu na ba thauran tauri
से हम नुंगाई opportunity से कोई शुरू में से मांग मुझे ये लोग फंडे इंग्लिश भी कहता है वादी चले यंग ना बजे जो opportunity भी से हम कहीं ना कहीं आई दी मतलब future ले शुमाइन तो वानी है तंथा न तो जो तो पर ग्रुप में हम ले जाते शुमाइन वानी है कोई यूथ ने
Thank you very much, Team Tanta, for providing such a great opportunity. Makatarak padasu manaba kong tangkaya lo katpangambo ibiu. And guys, now it's time for a short break. We will be back soon. Keep watching Impact TV. Welcome back. Adom niyang birib as si Impact TV da sandok chariba Mami Mapao ni. Ngasige ahum suba Mapao oina tamjariba. Tapos siya ginaw na putok pa dance drama. A chariot drawn by 7 horses. Miyam dalan toki bagi Mapao asi. Miing tamil.
Tapasya singjamay na nauna putok pa a chariot drawn by 7 horses hanaming tuan ba dance drama ama tha sigaw kiptang mga da Imphal Gijen Manipur Dance Academy Hall da mai pang utkray a chariot drawn by 7 horses hadiba dance drama asi entiken gi warida m soba manina lamjing lam tak pani amadi D Ronel na choreograph tawani
मध्यवर्ती इदं हर्यम्
Artist ke awat palayta ba iramdam ni may pakpa miyam na pamna drama ama soyden oibo oisunu hay na tamjigi. Haujik amo nga sige marishiba amadi aroiba Mapao na tamjariba. Manipur University da Manfit 2019 pang toki bagi Mapao asi miing tamjig.
Manipur University ki Manipur Institute of Management Studies MIMS ki annual management festival ma oiliba Manfit ki kumza lising ani taramapan ki edition kangla ki main gate ki Manfit ren haina mengton ba pollution free Manipur haib wakhalol da yumpam oiba khongchet amagaloina na haudok tuna mapung fana pangthok rei April 25 phaw pangthok ki ba thoramadu Manfit queen amadi manhunt pangthok pa tongan ba kanglup kya da dance debate amadi painting competition chingba thukpana mapung oiba saktam sing oiki
Winner of Manhunt 2019 is contestant number 9.
Hello guys, this is Tenzing and once again we're here at another big annual function of the Manipur University, that is the Manfit 2019. And we're about to show you some beautiful ladies who are here to show their talent in front of us. We're gonna have the Men Fit Queen 2019 once again. So we have the highlights and the full ladies on the stage. Soon you'll be seeing the winners and we'll be taking you the full interview of all the 3 winners of 2019. So let's catch up with all the contestants. Until then, watch the highlights. Alright guys, we have just announced the top 10 contestants, and alright, we'll get to the winners later on, but first of all we have also got a subtitle winners of tonight. So here we are with them. The first, Miss Catwalk, and here's the best designer, Miss Photogenic and Miss Congeniality. Well, alright, all 16 of you, right? 16 of you, you were wonderful, you were so beautiful. So first of all, I'd like to know your name, please.
My name is Nehoiching Chongloi, and I'm commonly known as Jessica. Yeah.
Okay, Jessica, congratulations. The best designers in a karma contestant you ever.
So Smita Sapa, I contestant number 15. I can bring the Suresh. No portion them thing.
Ngasi particularly on design to bigi concept hai tare ko. Asi karam madagi hai kari concept or baya isana kari wakal on dagi lakiba design adung mana.
Tum isana dum thapi kan de dum represent to boduga mana color masu have it I just gaktan ko kita pang tholak ba hai design je adum aina dum creative or dum pang hab san laga phajaga da mong dum imung family ga punna dum khana nai na to ba.
Indeed, very beautiful. Aduga isana Miss Photogenic su tare aduga best designer gi mana su lore ko. Kai phau gi.
I am Harawa Fawe. I feel so excited and happy, and I believe in myself, and I deserve to win this title. I gi mingna Sapam Susmita Devi. I gi laifam na wabagai lamkai bazar dagini.
So next we have the Miss Congeniality. Of course, Congeniality hargadi mayam. So of course, winner oibagi chance lai rini ko. Aduga. So what's your name and where are you from?
Oh, this is Marlene Nimonchi. You can call me Marlene, and I'm from Farsamar. Yeah.
Have you been in other contests before?
Yes, this is my 4th time actually. The first time was on Miss Pineapple, the second was on Miss Good, and the third one was on Miss Manipur. But I could not win any title. But I did succeed on Miss Pineapple, that is second runners-up, and the other I could not succeed because I was so nervous. However, I could overcome this now, and I'm really proud of myself.
We are really proud of you too, and you're ready to conquer the whole Manipur. The whole titles there are in Manipur. Okay, I hope you'll go for the Miss Ogre next.
Oh, yeah, we'll see. Time carries.
Of course, and all the best to all of you again, once again, and thank you very much. Hello guys, once again, and now we are in the background. The top 5 has just been announced, and we have with us the men coordinator of memes. So isagi ming leifam ko hana tapirmo.
Ai ming Frela from Bipin Sarama. Adaki Man Fit 2019 sigi aina man coordinator when lejabane. Leifam na wang kayong alayak tagi.
Men coordinator handaki memes ke kaya tara ko ki Men Fit men no ko Men Fit Queen dagi men hanse one of the most ko Imphal manung da Manipur manung da khwai dagi am achauba contest time am oi ko handaki se am different oi mong du suma am oi sigi matang je haidi mamang chahi dagi handaki different oi matang je isana ko gi kari idea dagi puthora ga mayam da kari message pining mano ha do hangjerge
yam fazana difference ore mamang yeng na kan haibadi handak se akoina mandale da akoi industrial visit surgery ko akoi gi satra mem ada akoina mandale gi mandale invite tokjarame ada mandale invite tokjaro da moina harau ya bek tuna mandale contestant thabirang asima akoi Man Fit Queen sida so saruk ya biri so akoi Man Fit se hanadi Northeast or India haramado now it's going to be the international international oire men fit se sida so it's very different hana gadi am change to hai ba yare international gi thak te ora ba na
international thak te su yor khre aduga handa ki kaino dane ha de right from entering kai da ma entrance dagi koi chang ko dagi de kidang different vibes se dum phange handa ki team work su am phajai aduga men fit ki oina miyam ge khoi gi imphal manung da leiriba miyam khudimak yengbi ba miyam pumba da isana khoi gi manipur university ge oiga khoi gi memes ki mai kai dagi pijaning ba message ko men fit ki through dagi pijaning ba message se kidang tapiram
amla see you mabum phan bi ba se apoi da pbi ba sponsor mayam se sigi mateng yaw da di apoi kaisu asi otho eng khale sponsor mayam sigi moi cooperation amasum moi coordination sina apoi ngasi men fit se mayam puna da yengba phangbiri amasum witness to phangbiri so apoi na difference mayam lai re aduna urappa mayam se fajaba haibsidi loina fajare handaki sidi men fit never lied before haibada yam kaino haiman ba thoroina khanje message haibu youth sing su lakpio aduga akhoi men fit sibu saruk yabiyo aduga men fit ki mahau tang biyo tangdragadi khangoi mase punok se ana akhoi thamjari se only academic ta khatanga de those who want to become a celebrity celebrity mo ine gari mas the man fit queen or man han thom the mas celebrity num oiba ya bagi platform da khoina num bijara bane and akhoi man event da business idea thamjari man fit queen man han thamjari and then rock show sidagi magi num boost up to ba ya bagi kaino do adum laire haina ina khanjai masida
yam pasaba message ni aduna yengbi ba myam pumba isa isa gi talent do yumda dum lotana thambigano khoi gi men han haiba khoi gi sisina khoi gi platform achobum piri no sa isa gi talent khudimak uthokpagi yabagi tanja prize so achoba aduga platform achoba mayam da pibir tanja sigi masi manghan bidana saruk soidana yabiu haiba message se ni aduna thank you very much aduga sidagi henba mathang sahi da su adum puthok piro aduna akhoi gi viewers sing da su ko akhoi viewers sing mai kai da gi sai tare all the best aduga matung ta ba tu se hena pasaba thank you so much
mai paksa boy jage hena su mai paksa ba hena su so wa men fit adum mang drama men fit oyerson thank you
The winner of MenFit 2019. The title goes to contestant number 1111. Contestant number 11 is the winner of MenFit Queen 2019, ladies and gentlemen.
So here we have finally the winners of MenFit Queen 2019. So are you ready? Okay, let's go. So first of all, I would like to start from the second runners up, right? Oh, no, second runners up. Here she is, Sapam Susmita. All right, very special thing. She's got the 2 subtitles, and also there was a special surprise which was a direct entry to the Miss Manipur. She also got that, and now the second runners up.
I am harawe I si phang baje ado I sana confidence lai I sigi title je and crown tawni hai bagi I sana thajaba su lai because I'm hardworking and I believe in myself. Si haijara gale sinjara.
Okay, thank you so much. The first runners up. So she is I forgot your name, please.
Babina Thokchom.
Yes, Babina Thokchom. Isagi leifam ga aduga ngasigi journey se kamai to bigi ge adum tang haibiro.
Haijagi aigi ming Babina Thokchom ai kakching dagini ai hojik si dem college ki hostel lai banina ai si yam financially adegi ai yam awaba yam thingnagi ai adubu but I still have the confidence, so I am harau isi phangwada dagi ai wajaman du so shorlai have say ai tasingna khangi adai thank you.
It's all your hard work aduga ngasi dagi awaba punba koktuna ko sidagi horoga journey ki dunga ai journey am oisana habagi wishes pizage aduga now finally the winner for tonight is Mirabai Chanu. Hobudagi loi phawa Mirabai na very gracefully perform to biki isagi kaidar isagi ngasi gi phangiba winner se kanada dedicate tawjaninge aduga isagi wahi kitang mayam da thambiro.
ngasi journey se lak na ba hot na ba matam da ai adu ke matik yam na wa ki ai pam za ba de adu ke matik yam na pam zai adu ba imung gi support wat pa financial problem lei ba adu ke matik yam na theng nei adu bu ai gi mama ai gi som ai gi sponsor hai ba tare ai gi mama ibom sa ne ne visita makhoi ani theng na birak ba da gi makhoi ni na ai bu sig lambi se da yam na support to biraga adu ga mama so ai gi tung in biraga yam kan hona birak pane ai baba so bi page drop to ra ga lei bane hojik se adu bu ai gi pam za ba na hen ban bana ai madu mayam da tung oina raga ai ngasi gi journey se da mai pak pa ngam na ba ai kan na thongna akan ba thongna ma ga loina na hot na jarak bane adu bu ai ngasi gi title je phang ba da ai adu ke matik yam na harawe ai thank you so much
well deserved aduga baba su yam thuna phawa oirasanu akoi mai ke degi wish tawjage aduga because of all the hard working girls they have got such a wonderful journey all deserved it aduga title si khaktana tana trip mayam am su yauri ko so enjoy that thank you so much so that was the Manfit Queen 2019 I hope you enjoy it this is your host Tenzing with cameraman Somorjit you're watching Mami Mapao.
Congratulations to all the winners in different events. Mims pusu thauram singbi bagidamakta hainingai leitana thagat tu phongdokcheri. And it's time to wind up today's episode of Mami Mapao. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Mathang episode ta ahen mapao kyama galoinan amuklakchege. Until then, keep watching Impact TV. And at the meantime, please do subscribe our channel on YouTube, like it, and never forget to leave your comments.